Have you ever wondered about the unseen energy that surrounds every person? This invisible field, often referred to as an aura, holds clues about our emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being. Understanding how to check a person's aura can open up new dimensions of insight and connection. Today, we'll dive deep into this fascinating topic, peeling back the layers to reveal practical, easy-to-follow techniques that anyone can use to sense and interpret the auras around them. First, let's talk about what an aura actually is. An aura is an energy field that radiates from all living things. It's believed to consist of multiple layers, each representing different aspects of our being, such as our physical health, emotional state, mental clarity, and spiritual awareness. While the concept of auras is often associated with mysticism and spirituality, it's also a topic of interest in various scientific fields, including bioenergetics and quantum physics. Understanding the basics of auras is the first step. Picture the aura as a glowing, colorful halo that extends from the body. This energy field can appear in various colors, each holding its own significance. For instance, a bright yellow aura might indicate a high level of mental activity and optimism, while a deep blue aura could suggest a calm and balanced state of mind. The colors are not static. They can change based on our emotions, thoughts, and overall health. To begin sensing auras, it's important to cultivate a state of relaxation and heightened awareness. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Allow your body to relax with each breath, letting go of any tension. This process helps to quiet the mind and open your senses to the subtler energies around you. Once you feel relaxed, gently open your eyes and focus on your hands. Rub them together briskly for a few seconds to activate the energy flow. Then, slowly separate your hands, holding them about 6 inches apart. You might start to feel a tingling sensation or a subtle warmth between your palms. This is the energy field, or aura, that you are beginning to sense. Next, let's move on to observing the aura of another person. Ask a friend or family member to stand against a plain, light-colored background. This makes it easier to see the aura. Again, take a moment to relax and center yourself. Focus on the person, but instead of looking directly at them, soften your gaze and look slightly around their body. You might start to notice a faint glow or a subtle shift in the air around them. This is the beginning of seeing their aura. For some people, seeing auras comes naturally, while for others, it takes practice. Don't be discouraged if you don't see anything right away. The key is to remain patient and persistent. With time and practice, your ability to sense and interpret auras will improve. Another effective method for checking a person's aura is through touch. This technique is particularly useful for those who might find it challenging to see auras visually. To try this, ask the person to sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Slowly move your hands around their body, maintaining a distance of about 6 to 12 inches. Pay attention to any sensations you feel in your hands, such as tingling, warmth, or coolness. These sensations can provide clues about the person's energy field. In addition to touch, you can also use intuition to sense auras. Intuition is a powerful tool that can provide deep insights into a person's energy. To tap into your intuition, Start by quieting your mind through meditation or deep breathing exercises. Once you feel calm and centered, focus on the person and ask yourself what you sense about their energy. You might receive impressions in the form of images, words, or feelings. Trust these impressions even if they don't make immediate sense. Over time, you'll learn to interpret these intuitive messages more accurately. Now let's explore the different colors of auras and what they signify. Each color in the aura has its own unique meaning. For example, a red aura is often associated with strong emotions, passion, and vitality. It can indicate a person who is energetic and driven, but it can also suggest anger or stress if the red is very intense. On the other hand, a green aura is typically linked to healing, growth, and balance. It suggests a person who is compassionate and nurturing, with a strong connection to nature. A yellow aura is often seen in individuals who are intellectually active and optimistic. It reflects a high level of mental energy and a positive outlook on life. Blue auras are associated with calmness, communication, and spiritual depth. They suggest a person who is peaceful, intuitive, and in tune with their inner truth. Purple auras are linked to spirituality, intuition, and higher consciousness. They indicate a person who is deeply connected to their spiritual path and is often highly intuitive or psychic. White auras are rare and are often associated with purity, clarity, and a strong spiritual presence. They suggest a person who is enlightened or has a high level of spiritual awareness. Black auras, on the other hand, can indicate blockages or negative energy. They suggest a need for cleansing and healing, as they often reflect unresolved issues or emotional pain. It's important to remember that auras are dynamic and can change based on a person's current state. For example, someone who is usually calm and balanced might have a blue aura, but if they are experiencing stress, their aura might shift to red or orange. This fluidity is what makes auras such a fascinating and insightful tool for understanding ourselves and others. In addition to colors, auras can also have different shapes and patterns. For example, a strong, well-defined aura suggests a person who is confident and grounded, while a weak or fragmented aura might indicate someone who is feeling vulnerable or scattered. Swirls or spikes in the aura can suggest intense emotions or energetic imbalances. By paying attention to these details, you can gain a deeper understanding of the person's overall energy state. Now that we have a basic understanding of auras and how to sense them, let's talk about how to interpret the information you receive. When checking a person's aura, it's important to approach the process with an open mind and a non-judgmental attitude. Remember that the aura is a reflection of the person's current state, not a fixed or permanent condition. Use the information you gather to offer support and guidance, rather than criticism or judgment. For example, if you notice that someone's aura is predominantly red, you might suggest ways for them to channel their energy in positive directions, such as through physical exercise or creative activities. If you sense blockages or negative energy, you might recommend practices like meditation, energy healing, or spending time in nature to help clear and balance their energy field. In addition to offering guidance, it's also important to practice self-care and maintain your own energy field. Regularly cleansing and balancing your aura can help you stay grounded and centered, making it easier to sense and interpret the auras of others. Simple practices like spending time in nature, meditating, or taking salt baths can help clear away any negative energy and keep your aura vibrant and healthy. Another powerful tool for maintaining a healthy aura is the practice of gratitude. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life and expressing gratitude for them, you can raise your vibration and strengthen your energy field. This not only benefits your own well-being, but also enhances your ability to sense and interpret the auras of others. In addition to gratitude, practicing mindfulness can also help you stay attuned to your own energy and the energy of those around you. Mindfulness involves staying present in the moment and paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. By cultivating a mindful awareness, you can become more in tune with your own energy field and more sensitive to the subtle energies of others. As you continue to practice checking auras, you'll likely find that your sensitivity and intuition grow stronger. You might start to notice patterns and connections that provide deeper insights into a person's energy and well-being. Trust this process and allow yourself to explore and experiment with different techniques. There is no one right way to sense and interpret auras. The key is to find what works best for you and to approach the practice with an open heart and mind. In addition to the techniques we've discussed, there are also tools and resources that can help you in your practice. For example, some people find that using crystals can enhance their ability to sense and interpret auras. Crystals like amethyst, clear quartz, and selenite are known for their energy-clearing properties and can help you stay grounded and focused during your practice. There are also books, courses, and workshops available that can provide additional guidance and support. These resources can offer valuable insights and techniques for deepening your understanding of auras and enhancing your ability to sense and interpret them. As you continue to explore the world of auras, remember to stay curious and open-minded. The practice of checking auras is a journey of discovery, both of yourself and of others. By approaching it with a sense of wonder and a desire to learn, you can uncover new dimensions of insight and connection that can enrich your life and the lives of those around you. Checking a person's aura is a powerful tool for gaining insights into their emotional, physical, and spiritual well-being. By understanding the basics of auras, cultivating a state of relaxation and heightened awareness, and using techniques like visualization, touch, and intuition, you can begin to sense and interpret the energy fields around you. Remember to approach the practice with an open mind and a non-judgmental attitude, and to use the information you gather to offer support and guidance. Regularly cleansing and balancing your own aura, practicing gratitude and mindfulness, and exploring additional tools and resources can further enhance your ability to sense and interpret auras. Trust the process, stay curious, and enjoy the journey of discovery that awaits you.